Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Milestone 4. So Milestone 4 is about segmenting the customer with the KMeans clustering. So we still use the Azure AI machine learning services. And let's quickly deploy the resources that we need. Yeah. You look for the TP100. Yeah, TP100. The virtual machines that use the create and explore the responsible AI dashboard. Okay, so create and explore the responsible AI dashboard. Okay, so search for the dashboard. Okay, yeah, number 11. Create and explore the responsible AI dashboard. So launch the VM and just wait for a few minutes to let it run. In the meantime, we can look at the screenshot that we need to collect. Not too many. Yeah. Set up the resource on Azure portal, create instance, create a data set as tabular, set up the pipeline and configuration, and then more configuration, complete the pipeline, and result. Yeah. So cluster 2 is compact but slightly overlaps with the other cluster. Cluster 1 is the largest and the most spread out with outliers. Okay. This is the notes, yeah, for the Milestone 4. Okay, and then for the data set, we're going to use the loan CSV, yeah, the same data set that we used earlier. Okay, so this is more or less the diagram, the pipeline, yeah. Okay, let's enlarge, then after that look at the pipeline. Okay, yeah, so data, after that select column, and then clean the missing data, and then normalize, after that edit metadata, and then convert to indicator value, and then KMeans clustering, split, and then train clustering model, and then yeah, assign data to the cluster, and then evaluate the model. Yeah, so later we refer to this. Okay, so almost ready, the virtual machine. Okay, everyone, so the virtual machine is ready. So we quickly log on to the portal to create the necessary resources. Okay, so on the right, this is the instructions, portal.azure.com. Okay, after that, we log on to the user with username or email address as provided. Okay, so this time you notice that we don't enter a password. Instead, we use the temporary access pass. Okay, so now become more restrictive, the lab. Okay, so we're going to create the Azure machine learning workspace, and I need to open the notepad to copy some important text which we're going to copy paste. Yeah. Okay, so this is the name of the resource group, the RG unique ID. Type the text from the clipboard. Okay, yeah, then unique ID is under the instructions. Next, then step number 6. Okay, here you go. This is a unique ID. Copy. Okay, so if you combine this together, then you will get the this RG DLP. Okay, yeah, like this. And then the machine learning workspace, we change this RG with the MLW. Okay, so we are ready. Copy this first. Create the resource. And then the Azure machine learning workspace. Okay, yep, so select the Azure machine learning workspace. Okay, then from this first, yeah, so create. Then we select the resource group to create a new one. Then copy. This is the resource group. After that, yeah, we can minimize this. We don't need this anymore at this moment. Split, yeah. Then can get the bigger screen. Okay, here you go. Then after that, the name is MLW. Change the prefix to MLW. And then the location is the closest, which is the Southeast Asia. The rest are following. Yeah. So this you can screenshot for the first screenshot. Yep, here. Okay. Copy. Yep. Then create the instance. I think this one is a create compute instance. Yeah. So click create. This will take a while. So just wait. Okay, the machine learning workspace created successfully. And then we're going to create the compute instance. So we open the studio. After that, open the compute instance. Then we create a new one. Okay, so for the compute instance, we're going to use this number CI546. Yeah, okay. Okay, then use the DS11 version 2. Next, use the default setting, and then click next. Create. Okay, so this just leave it run. Yeah, later after this successfully created, then I will screenshot. So skip this one. Creating the dataset as tabular and upload the data. So we need to upload the data. This is the location of the data. So we have to open the browser, then copy. Loan CSV. So download the loan. Okay, done. Okay, then after that, go to the downloads, loan CSV. Okay, good. So now we open the Azure again. Then after that, we're going to upload the dataset. Click the data, then create the below dataset. Yeah, loan data. Okay, then tabular. Next, after that, from the local file. Next, okay, use the default blob storage. Upload the file. Okay, then here loan CSV. Next, yep. Okay, then next, create. Okay, so this loan dataset. Yeah. So you can click the data again. Then after that, you will see loan dataset. So take the screenshot for this data. Yeah. Okay, put in the creating tabular, uploading data. Okay. After that, setting up the pipeline and configuration. Then more configuration, complete the pipeline and the result. Okay. So let's look at the compute instance. Okay. Wait. So yeah. So still creating. Yeah, not finished yet. Okay, so go to the pipeline designer. So now we're going to follow this step. Okay, use the classic prebuild component, close, yeah, okay. So click the plus button. Okay, so this is done. This is done. Okay, so follow this one, yeah. So first is the loan data, and then after that select the column from the component. Select column in the data set. After that, clean the missing value. Yeah. Clean the missing data. Okay, let's look here. Okay, clean data, loan data, select column, clean. After that, normalize, edit, and convert. So normalize, edit, and convert. Edit metadata. And then convert. Convert to indicator value. Okay, yes. So the instruction is in the clean missing data. So you're going to column to clean all, and then custom substituting with 0. Yeah. So all, and then custom substitutions with the 0. Okay, first we need to link first. Yeah, so from the data set here. Okay, select column, then edit the column, all column. Next, save, yeah, okay. Then select column in the data set, yeah, all column. Okay, I think we missed something. Okay, load the data set, understand. Okay, so do we have to select column? Yes, yeah, select column in the data set. Clean the missing data. Okay, but we don't specify which column should be selected. Okay, never mind. Yeah, just if there is nothing, then just select all the column. After that, here, clean substitution, custom with substitution with 0. Save. After that, close. Yeah. Okay, so go here straight. After that, in here, select all column. After that, custom substitution, replacement with philo. Okay, so save. After that, close. Now you link this clean data set to the normalize. Yeah. So in the normalize, we're going to use this. This is the column name. C-score. Yeah, C-score. Edit the column name. Okay, so using the clipboard. Okay, remove the dot there. Okay, click save. After that, go back here. Edit metadata. Connect the output from normalized data, and then this is the column. Edit metadata. You change to the selected column as a categorical. So change the column as a categorical. Save. After that, close. Yep, here the transform dataset. You click here. Then edit metadata, the column, only specific column. Okay. Yep. So this one is wrong. Yeah, home ownership. Yeah, so have to careful. Yeah, this one is wrong. Okay, need to edit first in the notepad. Yeah, you see here, this is cut. Yeah, so this should be in one word. Be careful. Yeah, otherwise then later you get error. Okay, this one's good. Then make the categorical. Save. After that, close. So you may want to change, check the just now, yeah, the column name. Yeah, is this name column? Number of the monthly pay. Okay. This one is wrong. Yeah, you see, monthly payment. Yeah, so you need to change this because normalized data, the column name is wrong. Okay, so I repeat again this one. We put into the notepad first. Okay, so this loan duration, yeah, credit card utilization, and then number of the credit inquiry, length of the credit history. Yeah, so the truncating or splitting the text is incorrect. Okay, so this remove the dot. This is the correct one for the normalization. Okay, so go back to the pipeline. Oh, okay. Designer, yeah, okay. Hopefully, okay, okay. Normalization, normalize the data. So edit the column, we erase everything. Okay, quite tedious, yeah, because too many column and the text is cut in the incorrect places. Okay, this time is good, yeah. Save it. Okay, save after that close. Then look at the clean missing data, all column, and then the rest is also all column. So nothing wrong, yeah. Okay, only just now. After normalized data, then edit metadata. In the edit metadata, we already have put the correct column name. Okay, after that below, yeah, convert to indicator value. Okay, go back in the convert indicator value. Okay, so column to be converted, yeah, this one. Be careful to copy into the notepad first. So you can edit before you copy. Okay, yeah, this one is cut in the wrong place. So the same as before. Okay, good. Now split the data, yeah. So 70, 30. Save, close. Okay, so here is just for the split the data. Okay, after that 70, 30. Save, close. Nothing or no additional custom setting. Now KMeans clustering module, yeah. Single parameter, 3 centroid, initialization KMeans plus Euclidean, and then normalize features through iteration 100. Yeah, okay, this is some customization. So we add the KMeans clustering. Yeah, K-means clustering. After that, the train clustering model. Okay. So in this one, so we try to put the instruction here. Yep. So single parameter, number of the centroids, there are 3. And then a K-means plus plus, random number seed, nothing. And then matrix Euclidean, and then normalis true, iteration 100, assign label mode, ignore label column. Okay, yeah, then after that, save it. After that, close. So train model data set, yeah, after split. Okay, then train clustering module model, yeah. Select the all column. Okay, then after that, assign data to cluster module. Assign data to cluster. Okay, so close this first. Okay. Yep. Connect train model. Propose assign this data, and then evaluate the module. Evaluate model. Yeah. Okay. Evaluate the model. Put below this. After that, track. Okay, and then in the result data set, you bring here. Connect the output of the assigned data to cluster, and then a screenshot. Okay, let's look compare with this. Yep. So we saw. Okay, actually, this one is wrong. Yeah. This the yep. Okay. So all good. Yep. So save this, and then after that, close this one. After that, maybe we going to minimize to make it same, but 50%. Okay, close this part. Yeah. Okay. So more or less like this, the pipeline put into the screenshot. Okay. After that, save, configure, and submit. Select the experiment. We create a new one. EX. Yeah. After that, followed by the Milestone 4. Yeah. Milestone 4. Okay. Then after that, next, choose the compute instance. We have not the screenshot. Yeah. It's already created. Next, after that, submit. Yeah. Before this, then we create screenshot. Okay. Yeah. So complete the pipeline. More configuration. Okay. Then after that, save this. Yeah. Submit. Yeah. Submit. Okay, yeah, I think complete pipeline is should be here. Screenshot there. This one is setting up the pipeline configuration. Okay, so it can go to the this one. Okay, it's running. Yeah, so we take the screenshot later. In the meantime, maybe you can open the compute instance. Yeah, this one already running. Yeah, we take the screenshot. Okay, create a compute instance here. So after that, then we're just waiting for this to complete and print the result. Minimize. After that, still running in the job. Yeah. Okay. So still running. So just wait for a while. Okay, let's check the progress after a few minutes. Then looks like the pipeline, the job already completed. Yeah. Okay, then let's move back to this. Okay, split data, KMeans already assigned data. Evaluate, yeah. After that, the expected outcome, screenshot of the registered tabular dataset, screenshot of the designer pipeline, and then evaluation result of the clustering model. Okay, so here, right click, after that, evaluation result. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we have this evaluation result in the clustering. Expand. So we have the average distance to other center. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So result. So we create three cluster. Cluster 0, 1, and 2. And then how many data point? Yeah. So the cluster second and third more or less about the same, 2100. And then cluster 0, the first one is only 1650. Yeah, so there is not here. Cluster 2 is compact, but slightly overlaps with the other cluster. Cluster 1 is the largest and the most spread out with the outliers. So this number could be not in the correct order. Yeah, so in our case, the cluster with the less number of points is the cluster 0. Okay, yeah, so don't worry about if your number of the cluster is different from this, yeah, because it might not be the same. Okay, so the purpose of the K-means clustering here in this scenario is to categorize, yeah, to group the ABC Bank customer into a few categories based on the unsupervised training. Yeah. Okay, so this is the milestone 4. Setting up the pipeline and configuration. Okay, so I can open this in the pipeline and configuration. Maybe just take this as screenshot. Okay, so complete the milestone 4, including the screenshot.